Hello students, we are starting the new chapter which is chapter number 10, motion and measurement of distances. Measurement of distances. Okay, so let's discuss about the motion first. Measurement of distances we will discuss later. So what is motion? Motion means if an object or a person is in motion, then it will be changing its position with respect to time. So how will you define motion? If a person or object changes its position with respect to time or as compared to time, ठीक है, या with changes its position with time, then that object is said to be in motion. For example, if there is a moving car, suppose you are observing a car which is at this point. Suppose when you are seeing it, the car is at this place, okay, at the A point. Suppose the car was at point A or at place A at 11 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so at 11 o'clock in the morning, a car was, or you can say that at 11 o'clock in the morning, a car was at the position A or at the point A or at the location A. Okay, so you noticed the position of the same car after 5 minutes. Suppose initial reading is at 11 o'clock na. Now you are observing the position of a car after 5 minutes. Okay, it means second reading is at 11:05 am. ठीक है, second reading. So suppose at in 5 minutes car has moved some distance and it is at another location B. Okay, कार को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग अ कार. ओके, सपोज यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग ए कार एट 11 o'clock in the morning and it is at point A. After 5 minutes you are again noting it or noticing down its position. After 5 minutes, suppose it has traveled some distance and it is at another location B. So time is running, time does not time is not you can say that कि टाइम हमेशा चलता रहता है, टाइम किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता है. ओके, सो एट 11 o'clock द कार इज एट पॉइंट ए एंड एट 11:05 am कार इज एट point B. So it means this car is in motion. ठीक है, this car is in motion. Similarly, if you observe a person who is walking, okay, so if the person is changing its position with respect to time, then it means then that person is in motion. Another example of motion is moving bus, moving train. They all are changing their position with respect to time na. So they all are in state of motion. There is a state of the object or a person which can be rest or motion. So motion is the state of a person when the person or object is changing its position with respect to time. When a person or object is changing its position with respect to time, then that person or object is in motion. Okay, so moving aeroplane, moving ball, a ball hit which is just hit by a cricket bat, okay, or the moving football. So all these are in state of motion. So you can say that a person or object is in motion if its position is changing with respect to time. For example, you are sitting in a school bus. Suppose at 2 o'clock in the afternoon time, the bus is in the school, okay, and after 15 minutes the bus is dropping you at your place only. Okay, so in these 15 minutes bus is changing its position na. So if it is changing its position, then that bus is in motion. And if it doesn't change its position, it means that object or person is in state of rest. For example, in this case only, if the person is observing a car at 11 o'clock, this car is at point A, and suppose at 11:05 am this car is at point A only. Okay, again the person observes the position of the car at after 5 minutes, suppose at 11:10 a.m. again this car is at the same point A. It means time is running. Okay, time is not stopping for anyone, so time is running, but this car is not changing its position. So it means this car, if it is not changing its position with respect to time, then this is in state of a rest. Okay, so you can differentiate between rest and motion. If a person or object changes its position with time, you will compare the position with time के साथ नोट करोगे तभी पता चलेगा that whether an object is in motion or is in state of a rest. Okay, now we will discuss about the types of motion. Types of motion. Motion means object is changing its position with respect to time. So how many types of motion are there? There are 4 types of motion. One is rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. Okay. Second is circular motion. Circular motion. Okay. Third is rotational motion. Rotational motion. And the fourth is periodic motion. We will discuss about these motion one by one. So these 4 types of motion are there. Means object can change its position in these 4 format. Okay, in these 4 ways or in these 4 methods, object can change its position. Hence motion is divided into 4 parts. So let's discuss about the rectilinear motion first. Rectilinear motion. So what is rectilinear motion? Rectilinear motion is the straight line motion. ठीक है, motion, it is a motion in a straight line. Means object is moving. Suppose rectilinear motion is a straight line motion. Okay, suppose an object starts from point A. Okay, or suppose there is a person who is starting its motion or who is starting walking from point A, then it is traveling on the straight road and reaches to the point B. Okay, so what kind of motion is this? If the person is not changing its direction during its motion, it is going in straight direction. Okay, and the person is not changing its direction during the motion, then that type of motion is known as rectilinear motion. So what is a rectilinear motion? Rectilinear motion is a straight line motion. So what are the examples of the object which are doing rectilinear motion? Some of the examples are, for example, bullet fired from a gun. Bullet fired from a gun is having rectilinear motion. Bullet fired from a gun is in a rectilinear motion or is in straight line motion. It is not changing its direction. Okay. Cyclist running on a straight road. If a cyclist is moving on a straight road where not any single curve is present, then that type of motion is also rectilinear motion. Okay, so this is the simplest type of motion, rectilinear motion. Linear means straight. Okay, so rectilinear motion is a motion in a straight line. Next we are going to discuss about the circular motion. So let's discuss about the circular motion now. So in this type of motion, path is not a straight line path, it is a circular path, or the path is a path is in circular shape. Okay, so what is circular motion? When an object moves in a circle or circular path, then that type of motion is known as circular motion. Okay, that type of motion is known as circular motion. For example, the motion of moon around the earth is nearly circular motion. Here the earth is present, okay, and moon is revolving around the earth. Moon is revolving around the earth, okay. So this type of motion is circular motion. In the watch there is minute hand present, na, minute hand present, hour hand present, second hand is present. So they are following which type of path? Circular path. So if the object is following the circular path, it means its position is changing, but in a circular path its position is changing, then that type of motion is known as circular motion. So minute hand of a watch, hour hand of a watch, second hand of a watch. Suppose there is a watch 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, ठीक है. So minute hand, hour hand, second hand, all these are having circular path, na, so these are moving in circular path. So that kind of motion is the circular motion, okay. Similarly, in the fans also, in a fan also, there are various blades present, and when you switch on the fan, they are moving in a circular path. Then that type of motion is known as circular motion. Next, we are going to discuss about the rotational motion. Next type of motion is rotational motion. So, when an object turns or spins about a fixed axis, when an object turns or spins about a fixed axis, then that type of motion is known as rotational motion, okay. We know that earth is spinning about its axis, na. Earth is moving around the sun and earth is also spinning up. This is earth. Earth is spinning about its axis. What is axis? Axis is a direction. Axis means axis is direction, okay. So when there is a circular motion, there is always an axis present, there is always a direction present about which an object or a body is rotating, okay. For example, a ceiling fan is rotating, okay. So here is an imaginary axis which is passing through the center of this fan, and this axis is known as this direction is known as axis, okay. There is a direction about which this ceiling fan is rotating, na. This ceiling fan is rotating like this, okay. So it is rotating about an axis or about a direction. This direction is known as axis. So when object turns or spin about an axis, then that type of motion is known as rotational motion. In circular motion, complete object is following the circular path, okay. In rotational motion, object is rotating about its own axis, okay. Object is rotating about its own axis, then that kind of motion is known as rotational motion, ठीक है. So spinning of a top or lattu जिसको बोलते हैं, ठीक है. So you have seen the motion of a spinning top or a lattu. So it is also having the rotational motion, okay. It is also having the rotational motion. Similarly, earth is having rotational earth is spinning about its axis. Earth is rotating, earth is moving in the circular path also around the sun, and earth is spinning about its axis like this. This type of motion is rotational motion. Here is an axis, imaginary direction about which this marker is rotating, okay. It can rotate like this. Now this axis is in this direction. About this direction or about this axis, this marker is rotating. Or if it is rotating like this, then there is an imaginary direction about which it is rotating. So when an object turns or spin about a fixed axis, then that type of motion is known as rotational motion. Next, we are going to discuss about the periodic motion. you know from the name itself that the motion which repeats itself after some time or to and fro motion is known as periodic motion. For example, we know about this earth, that earth completes its circular path around the sun in 365 days, है ना. So after every 1 year, after 1 year, earth is completing one circular path around the sun. So that type of motion is known as periodic motion, the motion which repeats itself. Next type of motion is periodic motion. So the motion which repeats itself, the motion which repeats itself, after regular intervals of time. After regular intervals of time means fixed time gap के बाद अपने आप को repeat करता है. For example, we were discussing about the case of earth, है ना. After every 1 year, earth is completing its one circular path around the sun. Also in 24 hours, earth completes its rotation, na. Rotation is spinning around its own axis. So suppose earth has started spinning motion from point A, then it will be rotating like this. Okay, this point, suppose this you can say that earth has started spinning motion. So after 24 hours, this point will be again facing the point A. So this type of motion is known as periodic motion. Okay, similarly pendulum of a watch is having periodic motion, है ना, because after fixed interval of time it is coming back to its own position, and this type of motion is repeating itself. सही है. Similarly a merry go round, है ना, a swing called merry go round, it is also rotating, and this motion is also repeating itself. Okay, merry go round, the motion in merry go round is rotating motion also and periodic motion also, because it is repeating its motion. So the motion which repeats itself, बार बार होता है, that is periodic motion. Okay, so जो झूला आप झूलते हैं ना, स्विंग वाला झूला होता है, that is also a periodic motion. So what is periodic motion? The motion which repeats itself after fixed interval of time. For example, if the time interval is suppose 1 hour, so after every 1 hour the motion will repeat itself. So this was all about motion and its type. Thank you.